Placeit is your one-stop shop for mockups, logos, design templates, and animated videos. Maybe you're a t-shirt seller who needs mockups to show off your designs in a professional and realistic way. Placeit has thousands of apparel and digital device mockups that take just seconds to make. Try doing that with Photoshop. Or maybe you're a business owner that wants to make a great first impression with a brand new logo. Placeit has you covered with super easy to use logo makers. Create anything from restaurant to sports team logo and everything in between. Your brand never looks so good. If you need t-shirt designs, business cards, book covers, or even flyers, Placeit has your back with thousands of design templates and more being added daily. And we're just scratching the surface. You can get unlimited mockups, videos, designs, and a special price on your logo with one subscription. Placeit might just be the last subscription you'll ever need. You can find tutorials, tips, and more info by subscribing to our YouTube channel.
Whether you're an online t-shirt seller, have a small clothing brand online, or are looking to start one of the most time-consuming aspects of selling t-shirts online is actually creating them. You either have to design everything yourself or hire a designer to make them for you. Placeit's online t-shirt templates offer a much better alternative that let you quickly and easily make hundreds of unique and creative t-shirt designs. You don't need to be a creative genius or know how to use Photoshop or Illustrator to get professional results. Let's get started making our t-shirt design by going over to the top left-hand side where it says Designs, and then sliding over to where it says T-shirt Design Templates and clicking on that. Here we're going to see all the different t-shirt design templates that Placeit has for us to use, and as you can see, there are hundreds of different options to choose from. So actually picking one can be a little tricky since there are so many good designs to use. I'm going to go ahead and jump to the template that I'm going to use for this tutorial. Let's get started creating our t-shirt design by editing our template. We go over to the left-hand side where we have all our different text options. So here we have our two input boxes for the text. So here for a good time is this piece of text here, and not a long time is this piece here. So super easy to edit. I'm just going to go ahead and click on that box and start typing the text. So for example, let's say that I want my t-shirt to say, can't get enough. And then on the second line, I'm just going to do the same thing. Summer vibes. Cool. So you'll notice we have these two little numbers next to each piece of text. So the first one is the number of characters we currently have, and the second number is the maximum number of characters that are going to fit on that line, just so they don't go beyond the design. Something to keep in mind when you're typing your text here. To the left, we have check marks, and if we click on those let us get rid of a piece of text. So for example, I'm going to click on the first one, and it gets rid of that first piece of text. I'm going to go ahead and click it again, and it just adds it back to the design. So it's super easy to see the results in real time and super easy to edit. Below, we have the font picker button. I'm going to click on it, and we get a drop down with all these different fonts that we can choose from. I'm going to choose this one called Cigarettes and Coffee, and we can see what that font looks like. So I think I like that, and I'll leave it as it is. I'll go ahead and change the second line of text here to also be this font. So I'll do the same thing. I'll go to the font picker button for this line of text. I'll click on it, we'll get the drop down, and I'll just choose the font that I want. Cool. Now to the right of the font picker button, we also can choose the color for that line of text. So I'll just click on it, and we get a bunch of preset colors to choose from. We can just click on any one of these, like this, and it's going to change that color. Or, let me just go back. We can also click on More. It's going to open up this little window here that lets us be really precise with the color. So we can just click and drag. Any color that we could possibly imagine, we could choose. We could also input the hex code for a color right here if we happen to have that. And then to set the color, we would just click on Choose. So super easy. I'm going to go ahead and change it back to black in this case. Next, I'm going to move over to the right-hand side where we have our different graphic options. So here we have main graphic color. I'll just click on it, and once again, we get a bunch of preset colors to choose from, or we can click on More just as with the text. So I think I'll leave it as it is for now. Next, we can choose the main graphic. So we have a bunch of different options for this particular template. Each template is going to have different options. So we're going to have backgrounds, borders, all kinds of different things. So for this one, we just have one main graphic. Let me see here. I think I will pick this one here. Let's take a look. As you can see, the graphic shows up super fast, so we can preview the design in real time. I think this one looks really good, so leave it as it is. And finally, we have a background color right here. So I'll just click on it, and let's see here. I think I'm going to change it to a nice yellow. That looks pretty good. Maybe we try a lighter shade here. Oh, that looks pretty good. All right, perfect. Once I'm satisfied with my design and I'm ready to download it, I simply go to this top section here where we have the big blue download button, and I click on that. We're going to get this little window that gives us the image format. It's going to be a PNG and the size, so 4,000 by 5,600 pixels. And then we just simply click on purchase, and we would follow those steps. And that's how easy it is to quickly make a professional t-shirt design with Placeit's t-shirt design templates. And since it's so quick, you can easily test out different variations of one design and see which one your customers like best. You can also quickly test out new ideas for t-shirt designs that would otherwise take hours just to test out. Placeit also has an unlimited subscription, which is perfect for t-shirt sellers. For only $29 a month, you get unlimited access to all of Placeit's t-shirt design templates. You also get unlimited access to all of our mockups and videos, so you can quickly go from creating your t-shirt design to creating some amazing mockups, and then finally some brilliant ads that are going to help you sell those t-shirts online. So if you're a t-shirt seller, let Placeit be the one-stop shop that fuels your business.
Slideshow videos, Instagram stories, intro templates, product demos. What type of video are you making today? At Placeit, you can find hundreds of stunning video templates. Each video maker is carefully designed to look professional, no matter which one you pick. Promote your latest product, create a viral countdown sensation, or just share a funny moment with your followers. Our video makers are super easy to use and let anyone with an internet connection create high-quality videos in seconds. Simply pick a video maker, for example, this is Slideshow video maker, and start customizing it. Use the text boxes to type in your video info and choose a cool font style and a color for it. Then, select some hot music from our massive library of styles. Save your favorites and use them each time that you need them. Add the background with a nice image, or what about upload your own by clicking this button here. Any interruption? Save your edits and come back later to continue. You can even save the template to your very faves. Finally, click on this blue download button to get it. You can find different tools on each video type to personalize it and create an harmonious video. Add slides inside of the templates, change the playback speed, or change the backgrounds over and over. Edit logos, mockups, videos, and design templates with just a few clicks. Each template is carefully made by design experts, so your work will always look great. Can you imagine? Your brand on a cool video like this all around the internet? Yeah! With Placeit, all that and more is possible. Get started with the best video maker at placeit.net. To make a logo, you simply go to the left-hand side of the menu bar and click on Logos. A new window will open where you will be asked to type in your brand's name. Placeit will select an industry for you that makes sense for your brand, but you can also pick the industry yourself. Let's go! Here is a collection of suggestions for your logo with your brand's name on them already. On the upper part of your screen, you can edit things like the name of your brand, the industry, the colors, and you can even select a graphic. Click on your favorite to personalize it even more. Another option is back on the main page. You can mouse over the category that you're interested in to reveal subcategories. For example, in the logos section, we have gaming logos, sports logos, clothing logos, and many more. Click on one to surf through all the options. Choose your favorite and personalize it. On the left-hand side of your screen, you will find the text boxes, ready for you to write down your message. Click on the drop-down menu to find several font options and colors for you to choose. You also have the option of entering a hex code to add a specific color. On the right-hand side of the screen, you can select the graphic for your logo and finally, the colors for your logo, such as background color, a main color, and an accent color. One more feature. Scroll down to see more preset options and your selections applied to similar templates. Now what about putting this design into a t-shirt, hoodie, a mug, or something else? You can do this in a few clicks. With Placeit, that and more is possible. Not only you can find beautiful logo designs with Placeit, it is also the easiest online logo maker that allows you to add that unique touch to your business. So go ahead and create your dream logo in no time.